Okay, welcome to another edition of JTV. Today we're going to be creating some effects for our onyx-vj software. I'm going to create a lower third graphic and show you how to convert it and import it into Onyx for use. First, let's go ahead and get over to the screen so you can see what's going on. Alright, we'll go ahead and do follow cursor. I've created this image using an open source image creation application called GIMP. This is basically just a 640 by 480 transparent image with a graphic bar in it, and then a blue one underneath it and some text. To convert it, we're using an application from eWriteSoft called Super Converter. This application can pretty much convert any media type into another one. You've got a huge list of options you can convert to. In this case, we're going to be using the SWF or FLV flash option. Now we need to get our file into Super. So we just drag and drop it right into the encoding box. Now for these purposes, I'm going to disable the audio because I don't want it to try to encode any audio at all. This will cut down on conversion time. In the video options, I'm going to also click on no change because I want this image to stay 640 by 480. So we'll go ahead and click on encode. That's going to pop up another box going to ask us what format we want to encode it into. For Onyx, you're going to want to use the FLV or flash video option. I've also named the metadata test card. Press OK, and it'll start converting. This should take a few seconds just for an image. Now after we encode this, we're going to have a slight problem. Onyx is going to see the image as having a black background. Alright, so it's encoded, so let's minimize that and open up the output folder for Super Converter. As you can see, it doubles the extensions. It's not a big deal. Just rename it. And if I can spell, testcard.flv. Alright, now we need to open up our Onyx folder and go into the library folder inside of it. As you can see, I have all kinds of animations split up into different categories. I've created a new folder called Junks for this example. We're going to go ahead and drag over the test card file and close these out, and then open up Onyx. Onyx will automatically find new folders and files. So as you can see, here's our test card. And here's the preview window showing what it looks like. Now as you can see, that black background is there, so if I put my camera in, you wouldn't be able to see anything on the preview. And like I said, we can use our keying feature, and that's going to take that out. And if I adjust the camera, the lower third is right down there where we want it. Now you can see on here we have a small black bar going across. Simply adjust your keying until the black bar is gone. And there you go. A simple, easy to use effect for your onyx-vj software to use in your webcasting or your live VJing.